What's up, guys? Just got back over here to the shop. B&K Performance. We're working on a race car today. We're trying to get it ready. We got our Strange revalved struts back. So Andrew up at Strange, he revalved those things. It had a bent shaft. It wasn't too bad. I think it was like $325 shipping and everything to get back to me. And he said this is the Pro Mod Valving. So we're going to stick these things on. They feel pretty tight when you get it in full tight position and you're trying to extend it with your hands. I know with your hands is completely different. I don't really have a pull meter or a way to check it. We'll get these other ones off that are Zacks that are factory, and we're going to do a pull test side by side and see if we can kind of determine what the difference is. I'm hoping that the new soft setting on extension is about like the old firm setting on extension. Guys, don't forget, we got the giveaway happening. Go to turbojohnracing.com, buy t-shirts or pre-order hoodies. The cutoff for the hoodies may have already expired. If so, you missed it. Buy a t-shirt, get entered to win a Hans device. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so we got one on here. You can see these brakes are already, I put these on last year and they're already starting. That's why you use the parachute. The less you have to jam on your brakes, the better. So I've got the revalved strut over here on this side. It's got the Pro Mod valving over here in this one. Now, something we did do, I took that heavy spring off, so this has got our 150 springs back on it. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a little test here. Keeney's got a stopwatch behind us, and we're gonna see, this one is full tight, so we're gonna see how quickly it comes down. And then we're going to do the same test on the other one to see how much tighter extension is. This is the only way I know how to do it. Pulling on it by hand, you can't really do it. Okay, so you ready, Kenny?
Yep.
Okay, ready? Wow, that's pretty slow. Still going down. Still going down. Stop. 9.32 seconds. All right, let's try it again and verify. And we're gonna take an average. Okay, so here we go, test number 2. Okay, ready? Still going down, down. That's pretty good, guys. I think, anyway. I don't know how good. Now. 11.5. So let's take an average. About 10 seconds to go down. So, all right, we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing with the unvalved Pro Mod. So the regular valving and the Strange strut, and see what the difference is on that. So this one's about 10 seconds. Okay, so here we go. We got the 150 spring on this side. The 225, I tried it, and it flung down really fast. So now we got the 150. This is set up just like the other one, except this is the normal spring. Go slow right here, Happy. Jack it up a little bit more. Okay, that's it. So Kenny's got the timer again, so he's going to do it. We're going to do it 2 times, and here we go. All right, snatch it down, Happy.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
You got you.
We got to read it. Yeah, well, that's super quick. So.
Oh my God, it went down.
Super quick.
Okay, we're going to redo it, but I don't even know that that's a second. Hold on, we need to recheck that, make sure I'm full tight.
That was probably about 2 seconds.
I don't even know if it was that slow. Okay, and this, yeah, that is full tight right there. That is full tight. These things are, this is full loose. When you go, it's got 3 rounds of adjustment. So when you go counterclockwise, this is full tight. Okay, jack it up again. Okay, that flung down super fast. That was like, I mean, wow. I mean, like, crazy. They just do I guess you can, if you order them new, you can do Pro Mod valving from the factory. Pro Mod valving from Strange. Okay, here we go again. All right, that's good. Yep. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that was.
It's an instant.
It's less than a second.
I mean, he can't even.
I stopped it late.
1.07. Dude. Okay, let's just go make sure we're not crazy. Okay, let's do it one more time. And then we're going to go back to the other side again and do the other side. Oh, my God. That's crazy. I mean, that's like insane. So we'll do the other side, and then I will take in, I'm gonna put the other ones on, the new ones with the Pro Mod valving on full loose and see what that does. I mean, this is full tight on the regular string. 150 pound springs. I mean, it's collapsing it. We're getting it to where it's almost up off the jack. It's off right there. Okay, do it again. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
It's going straight down.
Yeah.
Okay, let's loosen it all the way up and see what we get all the way. Boy, when Zach sees this, I think he's going to be sending off his... All right, jack it up. He's going to probably be sending them off. I mean, that spring's got a lot of stored energy, which that's what we're trying to do, but we need it to come up slow. So this is probably going to fly down, like super, super, super fast. Since it's...
It will beat the damn jack down.
it might. The jack might not be able to get down fast enough. All right, go ahead and drop it right there. It's probably gonna be full fast.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, it was a difference. It was a difference, but okay, let's go back to the other side real fast and see what the other side. We're gonna loosen. We're gonna do that full tight, and then we're gonna loosen it. Wow, guys, that is freaking crazy. All right, here we go. We got this one up again. Now this is full tight, so Happy's gonna snatch the jack down real fast. Kenny's gonna film. We got a 9 and 11. So all right, whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Look how slow it's going. Look at that. Stop. So about 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go. Wow, dude, that is insane, the difference. So I'm gonna loosen this up completely to full loose. All right, let's jack it up again, and then we're gonna try it one more time. And I haven't messed with the compression on this side. Wow, that is crazy. And that's all they changed was the extension. They said the compression would tighten up a little bit, but not a ton. So most of it's in the extension. Dude, that's insane how much different that is. Brian, did you see that difference between 10 seconds and 1 second? And these are brand new, the ones that are on the other side, Zach's. So I mean, it was a half a second with the other one. So I mean, they're adjustable. All right, that's good right there. All right, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Dude, that's about perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. That one right there was about like full tight on the other side. So my full loose now is like full tight, and full tight is like gangster tight. Boy, this is freaking awesome. We fixing to get some front end control now, guys. I mean, that's just insane. It is crazy. Wow. So we're going to try it again. This one is now on full soft as well. All right, let it down. So that comes down about like the other one on full stiff. So I'm going to put it, go ahead and jack it back up again. I'm going to put it on full stiff. 1, 2, that's 3. And if you count the flats, these don't click. So basically there's 6 of these. So that's 18 clicks if you were counting the clicks. But that's what you do is you turn them based. So I'm gonna mark this. I'll take a die grinder and mark the end, and then that way I know where 1 is and where it's and then I'll move it 1 number only, or 2 or 3 or whatever it is that we're trying to do. It'll probably be mostly on the very, very, very tight side. Okay, hold it right there for a second. Let the car compress back on the jack. Hey, Kenny, come and time this one real fast. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. Still going. Stop. Okay, let's do that one again. So maybe this one. I wonder if it's possible. I mean, I guess I don't know if they pull them or not. I mean, I know that's what Mincer and them does, so the pull is the same. I mean, I wonder, I don't know if, Yeah, the shock dyno. That's exactly right. I mean, I don't know if I assume that they do that at Strange, or do they just put the peel in it and then they just send it out? I mean, because I would think it's like anything. I mean, a different orifice size is going to flow different. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously the different orifice size, but the same orifice size. But if there's differences in the other components in the shock, then the orifice may be the same, but it may go faster or slower.
You also got to remember the human error in happy counting, me starting and stopping. I mean,
Oh, we didn't go up as high as we did a minute ago. It's still compressing up. Okay, go ahead up. Okay, right there. Let me put the this thing. Okay, let it down real slow, Happy. Let me get it on the jack. Real slow. Oh, right there. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna do it from right there. Okay, y'all ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was much better. We should have done that to start with. That's still so slow. Now.
11.8.
Okay, so we're about the same. We just didn't have it high enough the first time. About 10 to 11 seconds. Dude, I'm done with my pass. I mean, my car runs 480s. I'm just saying full tight to full. I'm gonna get full extension in the shutdown. If I'm running quarter mile, I guess it's okay.
At least it won't do the nose dive. You know what I mean?
Dude, that is freaking awesome. So it's gonna so full tight's probably not where we need to be. We probably need to start off halfway. Maybe like two turns. No, let's do it full tight start. We're gonna do it full tight.
Go full tight.
Full tight. Full tight. Full tight. All right, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. So if you've got Strange double adjustable shocks and you want to make them better, they can drastically improve these things. And the ones that I was trying with Zach's, they are brand spanking new. They've just been sitting in the box, and it is significantly tighter with the Pro Mod valving. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all go fast and get some wind lights. Later.